What are your thoughts on actually, making army training mandatory in states on a country like India?
Oh, the question is well beyond my pay grade. Uh, yeah, so my personal opinion, it should not be made. It should not be made mandatory for. You can have certain aspects of leadership, certain aspects of team spirit, camaraderie through some kind of uh, management or some kind of change in the education policy. You can have some kind of system in which you can teach them something. The reason मैं मैंडेटरी इसलिए नहीं बोलता हूँ बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से जो आप मैंडेटरी किसी चीज को करते हैं, यानी कि जो सोल्जरिंग है
Hmm.
और जो जज्बा है देश को सर्व करने का, वो दिल से आना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी
Forced.
फोर्स्ड. लाइक नाउ in picture hall they had started with the concept of national anthem being played
Right.
when the movie started. Now उसमें आधे लोग खड़े हो रहे हैं सावधान में, आधे नहीं हो रहे. तो यू आर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इज नेशनल एंथम ऑफ द कंट्री. वी नीड टू स्टैंड स्टिल. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड फॉर इन्फेंट्स एंड यंग मदर्स कि बच्चे मूव कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट जो इटर्नल रिस्पेक्ट है और जो आई वुड से जो if you want to do something, it should come from inside. You cannot force
Force.
a training. For matter of countries where compulsory military service is there is only because it's a matter of survival for Israel. There might be a lack in the army, or I don't know the actual figures, but when it comes to mobilization, they are surrounded by Arab countries. They need to fight for survival. We are a big country, so I don't think so ki per se military training is required, but yes, certain leadership classes, certain things you can try it out. Because मैं माय पर्सनल बिलीफ इज जिस चीज के लिए मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, जिस चीज के लिए आई वांट टू डू अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, I should do it with my heart.
But and
Yeah.
not
And
something
not
कि
be
कोई
somebody forcing you down
कि
the.
आपको करना
You
ही
want
करना
to
है.
become a like you're an educationist. You want to do it. So you will obviously find ways and means जिसमें आप उसको अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हो. आपका इधर 8 घंटे बैठना है या आपको 16 घंटे बैठना है, it doesn't matter to you. Because जब आप उसको मैंडेटरी कर दोगे, so then it will become 9 to 5 kind of. So this is my personal opinion. I might be right, wrong.
Wait,
I don't know about it, but then in my opinion, जो देशभक्ति और वो वाला जो जज्बा है, वो
अंदर से
जिसका
आना
मन
चाहिए.
जिसका मन है
उसको
वो
करना
करेगा,
चाहिए.
जिसका नहीं है ठीक है.
And
देयर
that
आर पीपल,
pride and that
या
sense
दैट
of
प्राइड सेंस ऑफ, बिकॉज देन ही विल डू इट वेल. और आप देश सेवा में और पीपल लाइक पीपल आस्क मी दैट व्हाट इज अ ग्रेट what might be a great emotion. I think so. I find love not to be that great an emotion. It's
okay.
okay. Love, you can fall in. For a man and woman, it might be attraction. Okay. Love is for a cause, or love वो है जिसमें it is selfless. Loving your nation is selfless. Nation is not expecting anything in return. You are giving it all because so the word selfless is the game changer for me. So when it is selfless, anything which is selfless, that is eternal. So patriotism is like that. You cannot force
You can't
military
force
training.
it. You can't make it a
You can't make,
thing.
yeah, somebody wants to do it.